Alright, let's take a look at top 5 websites for developers. Number 1. Slashdot. It is a huge interactive source about all the latest blog posts and news stories about technology and coding. It is an amazing website. I recommend all of you to use this. Number 2. Alistapod. Alistapod is a news sourcing catering to people who are web developers. This website should be in your bookmark if you are also a developer. Number 3 is SitePoint. It is full of free resources and most of them are very interesting. Make sure to go through it once. Number 4. MIT OpenCourseware. It has an amazing collection of recorded lectures from MIT directly from its official website for free. Number 5 is Google Developers. It is an amazing website and it contains a lot of self-guided coding exercises, quizzes, technical articles and video tutorials. Make sure to check it out.